Hi, Christine Beyer here. I am in all-out rampage to make all the telltale signs that I'm 50 go away before next month, which is my birthday month. And I am going to be using my Queen Skin Pro, which I bought from AO Medical. Love this little machine. I'm going to be using it on the back of my hands. And I'm not going to be using numbing cream, although I should, because it does hurt quite a bit. But I'm only going to be doing like a 0.5. But this machine is outrageous. I love it. It's very smooth, not painless. You have to numb your clients. But at 0.5, it's pretty good. You have some clients that you don't have to numb. But I would numb them anyway, because you don't want to put your clients through hell. I'm just going to prep my skin really quickly. I've never done fibroblasting on my hands. I've only done microphototherapy. I don't think I've ever microneedled the tops of my hands, which is a little bit silly. I had them do a sample at one of the skincare shows. They did, ProCell Therapies did theirs, and I liked ProCell's, but I like this better. And I lost my ProCell in my move. I couldn't believe it. Good machine though, and nice people at ProCell. I'm just putting on a hyaluronic acid. And just a simple, just for some slip and glide. This I also got from AO Medical, and I like the weight of this. It tends to work pretty well. So stay tuned, because I'm going to be doing a complete fibroblast neck lift. I hope this doesn't hurt like really bad. I have a feeling it will though. So I'm gonna turn it up. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. So here we go. I have some bony hands. Oh, it hurts. I'm not gonna lie. I should have numbed. You gotta do this very light, or I'm gonna end up with bruised hands here. The good thing is that it's fast. Fast. And this, I'm getting used to the pain level. It's not horrible. Mamma mia. Whenever you do bony areas though, it can be pretty painful. Oh my, I wish I had this, a way to do this so you could see it. And I'm looking for some nice pink. It really hurts. I'm not getting any blood points, so I might, oh, there's some. I have it at a 0.5, but man, it hurts. Okay, so I'm getting some little blood points. It's not quite as red as I was expecting. I mean, look at around here, how red that got. And I'm gonna go under LED, because sometimes when you do microneedling around bone, you can get some bruising. You have to use a really light touch, and I'm not always. Still kind of learning this pen. I've only had it for a couple months, but I do like it. Although this hurts like hell. So yes, definitely make sure to numb your clients. And I'm using a really light touch. Okay, I think that's done. So that's done. I might do this area a little right here. Although I don't want to do it so much I can't, that it hurts to work. This won't be too bad tomorrow. All right, so we're done with that. I'm gonna do the other side and my wrinkles on my wrist. And I will give you an update in a few weeks. It usually takes about a month to see some good results with microneedling. So look at these hands. Now, driver's side is always gonna be more wrinkly, and my left hand, I'm left-handed, so it's just gonna be more wrinkly. This is a comparison. Damn, this light is horrible, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna take before and after. Okay, so I'm back, and I sort of muted the light from this, but see how wrinkly these hands are? So this will be my before. And I have been meaning to do this forever. Microneedling the back of the hands, it really thickens that epidermis up and just makes them look so much better. But you know, we lose fat in our hands as we age, gain it in our tummy. That doesn't seem fair. But you know, what occurred to me as well is I need to do a scopula on the back of this. So I'm gonna wake everything up and break up any glycation with the microneedling first, and as soon as this heals about a week out, I'll put some scopula on it. It's gonna give it that extra oomph, the scopula facial filler mask, which I adore. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other hand, and stay tuned, and I'll have afters in about a month. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and tell your friends. Thanks, bye.